Are you looking for best WordPress themes for your website? Is your website is lacking speed and responsiveness? In this video, I am going to cover top 10 best WordPress themes for your website. Hello everyone, this is Arslan Khan and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crawler Academy. Hey everyone, if you are new to my channel, then I request you all to subscribe my channel. I upload videos on digital marketing news, digital marketing tutorials and help you to start your own online business. I am also giving a free digital marketing starter ebook absolutely free. If you want to get that ebook, then you should check my description box. In this video, we are going to talk about best WordPress themes. Do you know every business need a good website with the fastest loading time? And all you need a good design to convert your visitors into customers. Now there is a good news for all of you. There are multiple variety of responsive themes are available for WordPress. Now let's talk about all of those themes one by one. Our first WordPress theme is Astra. If you are a beginner and don't know much about WordPress, then I suggest you to start your website by applying Astra theme. As I move down, as you can see, millions of users have installed Astra for their WordPress theme and users are giving positive feedback after applying Astra as their WordPress theme. Astra is also compatible with pre-built websites, easily customizable without code and also compatible with page builders like Elementor, Beaver Builder, etc. and also giving super fast performance. As you can see, Astra is easily customizable and also compatible with the rest of the plugins of WordPress like Elementor, Beaver Builder, WooCommerce, LearnDash, Toolset and Yoast. Now let's check features which are given by the Astra theme. You can see it provides high performance and n number of features are available. Some features are in the pro version and few features you will get in a free version. So if you want to move from free to premium version, you can move whenever you want by paying the cost of the premium version of the theme. Now let's check few features which are given by the Astra theme. As you can see, this theme provides high performance and n number of features are given by this theme. As you can see, style layouts, typography, blog layouts, full control and WooCommerce. So many features in the free version you will not be able to get. But if you want to move to pro version, you can move whenever you want by paying the cost of the premium version of that theme. Now let's see few previews of this theme. As you can see, this theme is easily customizable for your blogs and even you can start your own e-commerce store. As you can see, design of this website is looking very beautiful and all the features are available in this theme. So if you want to get this template, you should move from free to premium version to get all the features. Now let's check pricing of this theme. It is very obvious. In free version you will get few features, in premium version you will get so many features which I have already shown you. So the pricing is $47 for Astra Pro and mini agency bundle you will be charged $169 and for agency bundle you will be charged $249. In these features you will get whatever plan you will choose. Now our second best WordPress theme is Sydney. Now Sydney is one of the best WordPress themes for companies and for freelancers. As you can see, Sydney provides plenty of customization. Here you can see they are providing so many features like fonts, full color control, layout control, logo upload, full screen slider, header image, sticky navigation and many more. Now Sydney theme is also compatible with Elementor, which is one of the best page builder for WordPress. Now as you can see, Sydney is also offer a free version and paid version and there are numerous features which are provided by the Sydney theme. Sydney is providing responsiveness, custom Elementor blocks, theme options, parallax background, Google Fonts, slider or static image header, translation ready, social. So these are the features of Sydney theme. Now look at the preview of this theme. So as you can see, Sydney going to be look like this if you're going to install Sydney theme in your WordPress. Sydney is one of the best theme for business owners, digital marketing agencies, or if you are a freelancer who provides various services to clients, then this theme must be in your top list. Now let's talk about pricing of this theme. This theme will cost you $59 per year if you are using in a single domain, and $99 per year if you are using in multiple domains, and $249 which will be for lifetime access, and you will be able to use this theme in multiple domains. So if you are a business owner or having your own digital marketing agency or freelancer, then I suggest you to try this theme. Our next best theme is for food bloggers, or if you are a chef or self-declared cook at home, then this theme is best for you. This theme allows you to showcase your recipes in the form of blogs. Now I am sure you all must be familiar with the blogging themes of WordPress. This is very similar to that only. But if you are a food blogger, then I suggest you to install this theme first and then compare with the rest of the blogging themes of WordPress. Unfortunately, this theme is not allowing me to check the pricing, so I won't be able to tell you how much this theme will cost you. Are you having your own online store and looking for a best theme which can help you to sell out all the products to your users who come to your website? Now today I am going to tell you about this best theme for e-commerce, which is called Jela. Jela will help you to create a best e-commerce store for your products. It doesn't matter whatever you are selling. Here you can see Jela provides previews of furniture e-commerce, tech store, furniture e-commerce again, fashion shop, baby clothes fashion, cosmetic, clothes, sunglasses, and many more. So whatever you are selling, Jela will help you to make an outstanding e-commerce store. Do you know I am also having one online store which I am running in Canada, and I am also using Jela as my current theme. So I can assure you without any doubt you can go for Jela theme and build your own outstanding online store. Now here is a demo of Jela store. As you can see, this store is based on tech store, and as you can see, this demo is based on tech store and how beautiful this store is looking. Every product is very clear and in detail. This will surely attract people and convert them into customers. So this theme is also compatible with affiliate marketing. So if you don't have your own products and would like to start your own affiliate marketing store, then you can use Jela also. Now let's talk about pricing of this theme. This theme will cost you $59, which will be for lifetime. So you don't have to pay every year for this theme. And surely after adding few tax, this will be around $72 to $73. Are you a traveler and looking for a WordPress theme which will help you to share your adventures in the form of blogs? Now I found one best theme for travelers who can share their travel experience in the form of blogs, and this theme called Travelway. Now this theme is available for free and also available in the form of paid version. This is one of the best theme for travelers who can share their experiences and adventures in the form of blogs. As you can see, this is one of the best good looking travel blogging theme. You can share your experiences in the form of destinations, tours, gallery, and many more. So if you are looking for travel blogging theme, then I suggest you to try this theme for at least once. Now let's talk about pricing of this theme. As I told you, this theme is available for free and also available in the form of paid version. So paid version will cost you around $55, and another version for developers which will be cost you around $99. Now I want to know which was your favorite theme among the themes I just showed you. Write in the comment section which was your favorite theme. Or if you are using another theme in your WordPress, just write in the comment section which theme you are using right now in your WordPress. So that's all for today. If you like this video, make sure click on the like button, share this video with your friends who are looking for best WordPress themes, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So this is Arslan Khan signing off.